First time use of the Quinn long reach hose clamp pliers. Using this on my son's 2013 GTI. We gotta reseal this cam cover. Got a oil leak. It works really well, surprisingly well, actually. Locks into place, holds the hose clamp, free to move it around. It's a little fumbly to unlock it. But, yep, it works, it grabs well. Pretty much at any angle. So here's the handle for these pliers. I did notice this very first time using these handles slide off pretty easy. You probably take care of that with some super glue, or you don't even really need them on there. But what I was talking about being fidgety to remove is you're supposed to squeeze it and push this down to release it. And it doesn't really release that great. That's probably the downside to it. So that's what you'll mess with. That's what's going to give you a hard time, is just trying to release that once it's locked in place. Maybe after a couple uses it'll work better, but that's my only complaint. See, it kind of ratchets in there every click, and then you push down on this to release it. Maybe it's the powder coating hanging it up. I don't know. I know Lyle makes a pair of these, well over $100. It's got a little bit of an angle right here instead, though, kind of like the angled long nose pliers. But maybe after a little bit of use it'll break in, work a little bit better on the release.